them in both? Owen, what do you think of these 1.5 car garages?
Oh, thanks.
Hey. So this is the neighborhood of the legendary and esteemed Adam Espejo, if that's how you say it.
I don't know if I've ever helped while wearing AirPods before because I forgot mine when I went to Canada.
Don't drop that. Well, I guess I didn't get to say glass yet, but yeah. Okay.
Only thing that fucking fell out too.
Are you useless, Trent? Oh. Oh, there's a City of San Antonio cart. Huh? There's a City of San Antonio cart over there. We gotta walk up maybe. No, there's just one can out. What? Maybe.
Boy, I hope Reed doesn't watch this.
He got the live.
What?
He got the live show.
I look a lot better over there. Well, actually, it's hard to say. I It wasn't on video, so who knows? I just...
I'm
not going to say I was
better
worse.
when he's not being filmed.
It's an automatic return system.
Maybe. Yeah. That's digital. I'm not trying to stare at you. I just don't want my head to fly off. So all of this is going to incorporate. Yeah. Wait, there was a knot out. Over there.
Yeah, finally, a 30.
Now, how can he mess this one? Well, no, he was too scared of it.
Alright, I finally did make myself look like a total fool on this. 1 for 3.
One car garage now. One bicycle garage.
You don't realize how much you've left the Midwest until you realize that nobody waves here. There's no...
Yeah, I mean, mine at my house is 2, nothing more.
Right.
And that's the thing I dislike most about my house. Is I wish it was a bigger garage. But I love the house. And the yard's not terrible. It'd be nice to be able to go from back there with garbage trucks, but
It's cheap enough to buy your car.
it's not cheap. It's not cheap. Go around the industrial. Cheap down here, really cheap up there. It's like 50 grand an acre almost. Unless the land is horrible.
I bet these sold for like 100 when new. Especially the ranches.
And then less in the recession.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some wiggly rice.